Hey, it's Bob with 24 Shots. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in your Silencer Pro for Gimbal kit. The Silencer Pro for Gimbal comes with our complete Pro kit, as well as all the other add-ons you may need to run it on your gimbal. The first add-on is our shoe mount. This will allow you to mount a rail system to the top of your camera. This is our short motor rail add-on, which is less than half the size of our standard motor rail. It's the perfect size to fit into small cages found on most gimbals. This is our 15 to 19 millimeter rail carrier, which allows you to connect our short motor rail to a 15 millimeter rail. The kit comes with an extra 6-inch rail, which you can connect right to the back of the motor and mount it to the tri-rail or to the rail carrier. This is the XL belt pack, which you can use if you have a large distance between your lens and the motor rail. This is our gear drive add-on, which you can use to connect to any geared lens with a 0.8 pitch. The last add-on is our 2-foot extension cable. This will allow you to mount the control box anywhere you want on your rig. The rest of the parts we're going to talk about all come stock with our Silencer Pro kit. You'll find our wrench pack, which you can use to assemble and disassemble our silencer system. These pieces are already assembled, but we're going to tear it down and show you every piece individually. This is our control box. You can see the on-off switch, the charge port, and the motor and trigger inputs. This is the battery door, which you can open up and remove the battery for charging purposes or replacement. You can simply plug the battery directly into the charger, or when the system is off, you can charge the battery by plugging the charger directly into the control box. On the bottom, we've got a 3/8/16, a 1/4 20 through, and 3/4 20 threaded holes. This is our optional control box clamp. All you have to do is remove the screw, drop it through the control box, then thread the screw into the clamp. Now insert your rails and lock in place. This is our tri-rail system, which allows you to run 3 rails and save space on your rig. Push the button to release the top plate, slide it back in to lock it in place. In the tri-rail system, you'll find our rail locks. To insert your rails, make sure your locks are in the correct position. Then slide the rail in place, then turn the knob to lock it down. If you're not going to change your silencer setups, you can lock the system in place using these 4 bolts. These are our 6-inch 15 millimeter rails, which are threaded and you can extend to any length. This is our rail carrier, which we use to lock the motor rail in place in our floating mount system, or you can use it to attach additional rails to your rig. This is our motor rail, which you can also attach rails directly into the back end of the motor. This is our adjustable clutch system, which minimizes stress on your lens. This is our tensioner pulley, which mounts directly to a motor. It slides into place and then you lock it down. You can also reverse the pulley for different types of setups. Each system comes with 3 different size drive belts for different size lenses. This is our trigger, which can mount to any handle or round object using our zip ties. Slide the zip tie through the back of the trigger and lock it down around the handle. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, head over to our website at 24shots.com.